Assalamualaikum class 5. I hope you all are doing great. So today is 9th of April 2021 and the day is Friday. So class, in yesterday lesson we studied about the concept of ascending and descending order. How we can write numbers into ascending and descending order. Isn't class? So first of all, who will tell me about what is the difference between ascending and descending order? Yes, Alishba? Ji. Very good. Ascending order means numbers started from smallest to largest, isn't? And descending order means numbers goes largest to smallest, isn't? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में क्या होता है, नंबर जो है वो छोटे से कहां तक जाते हैं, बड़े तक. और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में क्या होता है, हमारे पास लार्जेस्ट से स्मॉलेस्ट तक जाते हैं. सो शुड वी से दिस इज इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. कैन वी से दिस क्लास? ascending order is also known as increasing order. Very good. Because smallest से जाते जाता वो कहाँ तक जाता है, largest तक. तो it's mean increasing order. And descending order we can say decreasing order. Should we say this class? Very good. ascending order को हम क्या कहते हैं, increasing order है, और descending order को हम क्या कहते हैं जी, decreasing order. How? If I have a number 26, 25, 23, I have this three numbers and I want to write this in ascending and descending order. So what would I do? Yes, Sikandar, you tell me. Very good. As you know class, ascending order means increasing order and smallest to largest. So in these three numbers, which is the smallest number? Very good, 23. And what is the next number class? 25. Very good. And what is the third number? Which is very obvious, which is 26. 1, 2 and 3. If you look, the number is increasing. So we can say ascending order is also known as increasing order. Fine. So this is how we can write the order of ascending. And what about descending order class? If I have same number, descending order means largest to smallest. So which is the largest number in these three of numbers? Very good. 26 is largest one, then 25 and then 23. So we will write 26, then 25, then 23. This is how we can write descending order. Very good. Now if I have a number 3 space 4 0 1, so class, if I have a largest number like 3 space 4 0 5 space 263, and वेरी गुड. वी विल राइट फ्रॉम लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल राइट largest to smallest. So which number is largest in your point of view? Very good, because this number is largest one, because if you look, these ones place are same. सबकी ones place क्या है? Same है. And these are thousands and these are million place. So अगर आप देखो, thousand place, first is in first number thousand place is 5, in second number the thousand place is 6, and the third number thousand place is 7. So first is 7 according to descending order. ये सबसे highest है, फिर उसके बाद ये है, and then this. So I will write 3 space 407 space 263 comma second number which is 3 space 406 space 263. Third number which is 3 space 405 space 263. This is how we can write numbers which goes up to million in descending order. Fine. So this is about which is related to yesterday lesson. Now I am going to start today topic which is predecessors. Predecessors. So class, what would we do when we want to find predecessors of the following number? What is meant by predecessor? क्या होता है predecessor? In previous class we have learned about this. We have learned two terms of numbers. First is predecessor and second is successor. Okay? First is predecessor and second is successor. So who will tell me about what is predecessor? Predecessor क्या होता है? Very good. Predecessor. Pre से निकला? It is derived from pre. So means previous. Fine. And successor. Successor derive हुआ है. So we can say next number. ठीक है? Previous में हम लोगों ने क्या करना है? -1 subtract करना है और इसमें हमने 1 ऐड करना है. जो भी नंबर होगा predecessor के according we will subtract 1 from it, and if we have to find successor of that number, so we will add +1 in that number. Okay, so in question number 12, right statement is right. The predecessor of the following number. Fine. I have first part 999 space 999 space 000. I have this number. So what would we do when we have to find predecessor of this number? हम क्या करेंगे जब हमने predecessor find करना है इस नंबर का? तो very good. First of all, we will make place value of each number. First is ones, thousands, millions. Okay. In ones column, we will further divide it into subunits, which is ones, tens, and hundred. Likewise, in thousands, we will further divide it into thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Likewise, in million column, we will further divide it into million, 10 million, and 100 million. Now, it is the rule of place value that when we will put this value into this place value chart, 3 zeros from this side at very first place. So it's mean this belongs to ones column. So I will write one by one according to its place value. The first zero belongs to ones column. The second zero belongs to tens, and the third zero belongs to 100. Likewise, if we have 3 digit again, but if you look, there is a space in between this and this number. So it's mean this number belongs to 1000, this 9 belongs to 10,000, and this 9 belongs to 100,000. Isn't class? Very good. Now, if you look again, we have a space again which is 999. So we will write 999. Fine. This is how we can write, put the value into place value chart. Now, back to the question statement, which is write the predecessor. So predecessor means previous number, and we will always change. चेंजिंग किसके अंदर आएगी हमारे पास? वंस कॉलम में। ये बात क्लियर है सबको? जब भी प्रेडिसेसर और सक्सेसर हम लोगों ने फाइंड आउट करना है, तो चेंजिंग किसमें आएगी हमारे पास? किसमें आएगी क्लास? वेरी गुड, वंस कॉलम में। किसमें आएगी? वंस कॉलम में। ओके, नाउ अगर आप देखो तो यहाँ पर क्या है? 0 0 0, ठीक है, मीन्स यूनिट। ये क्या है? यूनिट, टेंस, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000। अब देखो ये तो सब जीरोस हैं, इसमें से हम जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे देन वी गेट 999। इसमें से जब हम 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे वी विल गेट 999। और चेंजिंग कहाँ पर होगी? 10,000 वाले कॉलम में। Then the next number is 999 space 989। ये 99,000 है। जब हमने इसमें से एक नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? 89,999। 1 नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, so 89,999। सब्ट्रैक्ट करके भी देख लेते हैं। We have 999, then 999 and 000. We will subtract one number from this. So we can't subtract 0 from 1. हम नहीं इसको subtract कर सकते. So we will take 10 from this. यहाँ से आ जाएगा next, फिर यहाँ से again क्या आ जाएगा next. ये हो जाएगा 9, ये 10 था तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? 9। जब हमने उसको शिफ्ट किया 1, और ये लाइकवाइज ये भी क्या बन जाएगा? 9। नाउ अब नेक्स्ट नंबर हमारे पास क्या है? 9। नेक्स्ट नंबर हमारे पास क्या है क्लास? 9। ओके, यहाँ पे क्या बच गया था? जब हमने उसको 1 दिया था, 1 कैरी दिया था 8। So 8 as it is, this 9 as it is, this 9 as it is, space 999। So आप सिंपली या तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो उसमें से -1, या उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू को लिख कर राइट करके then you will write the remaining number, and in the end you will write predecessor with respect to its place value। ठीक है? Now I am going to solve another example। उससे क्या होगा? आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएंगे। बी पार्ट। वन स्पेस 456 स्पेस 789 स्पेस 001। ठीक है? 1 स्पेस 456 स्पेस 001। So as you know we have to find predecessor of this. So predecessor means previous number। एक नंबर को क्या करेंगे? इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। 1 456 space 789 space 001. Subtract 1 करना है because we want to find predecessor of this number. This column belongs to 1, this belongs to thousands, millions and billions. Fine. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 as it is, 0 as it is, 789 as it is because we have no any number below there, 6, 5, 4 as it is and 1 as it is. ठीक है, हमने 1 subtract किया and we get 1 space 456 space 789 space 000. Fine class? Okay. Now I am going to take another example which is related to this C part. C part. I have 4 space 000 space 300 space 100. So first of all, according to place value chart, as I know, this belongs to ones, thousands, millions and billions. Isn't class? Now we will subtract -1 from this number because it is the rule of predecessor. When we have to find predecessor of this number, we will subtract 1 from the given number. So I will write 4 space 000 space 300 space 100. Subtract करना है हमने 1. So it is not possible to subtract 0 from 1. I will take 1 as a carry from this number. So this will make 10 and this will make 10. Next number 10 हो जाएगा और ये क्या हो जाएगा 9 and this is 0. So 9 minus 1 is 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 था यहाँ remaining. 9 minus 0 is 9. 0 as it is, 0 0 3 as it is, 0 0 0 as it is and 4 as it is. जब हमने -1 subtract किया, so class I am going to repeat this example. Just listen to me very carefully. I have a statement in which write the predecessor of the following number, and the part is 4 space 000 space 300 space 100. Okay. First of all, I will write the place value of each number. Fine. And moving backward, which is the statement of the question, which is predecessor. Predecessor means previous number. So previous से क्या mean है? हमने जो number given number है उसमें से क्या करना है? Subtract करना है -1. So we will subtract -1 from the given number and we get the predecessor of that number. Fine. मैं आपको दोबारा से बता रही हूँ, predecessor का वर्ड जब भी क्वेश्चन में यूज होगा, so it simply means -1. ठीक है, जो नंबर हमारे पास गिवन होगा उसमें से हम क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 1. और likewise if we have a successor, we have to find successor, so we will simply add 1. We will simply add 1. Is it clear? सबको क्लियर है ये कि कैसे हम लोगों ने इसको राइट करने प्रेडिसेसर को और सक्सेसर को? ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल क्लास. इफ यू फाइंड एनी डिफिकल्टी रिलेटेड टू प्रेडिसेसर एंड सक्सेसर, यू विल आस्क मी. हैप्पी लर्निंग. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज.